Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get statements from Coinbase. First, you'll want to log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Reports or Statements section, usually found in your account settings or profile menu. This is your central hub for all financial documents. From there, you can choose the specific type of statement you need, whether it's for tax purposes or a general overview of your transactions. For tax-related documents, select the Tax Documents option within the Reports section. You'll then be prompted to choose the specific tax year you need. Coinbase typically provides forms like Form 1099 MISC for eligible users who meet certain transaction thresholds. After selecting the year, you can easily download these forms directly to your device, ensuring you have all the necessary information for filing your taxes accurately and on time. If you need a detailed record of all your buying, selling, and trading activity, choose the Transaction History option. Here, you can apply various filters to narrow down your search, such as by a specific cryptocurrency asset, a custom date range, or even the type of transaction. Once you've refined your selection, you'll have the option to export this data, typically as a CSV file for spreadsheet analysis or a PDF for easy viewing and record keeping. Beyond tax and transaction history, you can also access general account statements, often available on a monthly or annual basis. These statements provide a comprehensive overview of your portfolio's value, your overall activity, and any fees incurred. They are excellent for personal record keeping and financial planning. And speaking of reading, if you love to dive into a good book, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.